Let's know how to use the Shift Totalizer block through the Saksham library. First, drag the box from the toolbox, click on Input Assistant button, browse the library and select the Shift Totalizer to use it. In the block, as here it's Shift Totalizer. Now drag an input pin, connect to PV and browse the input pin from rack. And then connect the input pin for the cycle time and current time. Browse them from the advanced library. Connect the input pin from toolbox for Shift 1, Shift 2 and Shift 3 as per your logic. Generate the code and click on Login and run the block successfully. Save the project